Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. But not really a whole lot of things to update, from the video yesterday, other than depending on your strategy, the chart is still perfectly fine. Now, I say depends because if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and either situation you wanted to sell within 15.27 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then everything is still perfectly fine. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, when you care about the grand scheme of things, the overall perspective, that's what you want, higher bases, because with higher bases as time unfolds, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. The easiest way to see the quote-unquote long-term uptrend is right here with that purple line, which I've talked about in the past. And that's the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, because when you stop and think about it, well, this line, again, is going to move an average, so it's going to keep on moving upwards. So then stop and think about it. Well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's moving upwards? Well, the price itself over time has to keep on moving upwards. And that by definition is what an uptrend is, right? That by definition is what a truly bullish move is. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they insult your intelligence. So sure, the price is pulled back here a little bit, but big picture of things, the price is still above that line that's moving upwards, which implies the price itself is moving upwards over time, and that's what you want. So now, if you're a day trader, then yeah, I could sound crazy by saying this is bullish if you bought up there and wanted to sell within 2 seconds, but I am talking about things from a big picture perspective. So short-term wise, 75 cents still that level of support. After 75 cents, though, you have the overall area of support right there, the 50 period. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here. Still got that level up here around the 98-cent mark. So all in all, though, chart's still perfectly fine, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.